I have spent the past 2 decades mastering the complexity of change and how to execute and lead through change successfully.
Owning it means sometimes sticking your neck out there.
Thing is, the way organisations manage change has gotten overly complicated and a bit out of hand. Unsurprising then, that 2/3 of change initiatives are deemed a failure.
0 is the number of people in Iceland that have the job title of change manager.
I've realised that 80% of the value added comes from 20% of the effort. So let's drill into that 20% together and demystify change.
Workplace of the future should be somewhere where we just speak openly and freely. So there is a metaphor behind that.
I want to share my simple 3-step approach to how you and your organisation can more simply, more affordably, and more effectively manage through change. And let's have some fun while we're doing it.